Alright, well I've just got the wood that I recycled wood. It's Jarrah hardwood of some sort that I got from a floor that was being ripped up, and there should be enough there to easily do my caravan. Some of it's in a bit of a mess, but there's a lot of good pieces there, so I should be able to take that over to the garage over there and put in my caravan floor. So I'll just show you a before and after shot. Here's the messy old backyard. Where are we? Here we go. Here's the caravan. It's going to have a larger drawbar. I'm going to extend that by at least 1 metre, and I'm going to have room for a toolbox that I've got out the back here. Don't know if you can see that. It's a bit dark here. It's getting late. Yeah, I got this old toolbox, so I'm going to put that there, clean it up, of course. So you could say this is making a silk purse out of a sow's ear, but that hardwood floor is going to go in here once I've cleaned this up. I just pulled the floor out today. Only got the caravan in here yesterday. So yeah, it's going to be quite nice with that floor. I'm going to have LED lighting in here. I'm going to get rid of this dated 70s look and modernise it, and put a new water tank in here underneath. I've got to clean up, get the wire brush, electric wire brush onto all of this, and then repaint it with some galvanised paint. Yeah, and I've got to build all this here again. I've got to extend this with some wood that had rotted and put in a new thin 3-ply sheet in here. I've got to replace these shelves in here that have rotted, and same with this over here. I've got to extend the floor that way a bit. See where that joist is, that beam. There's another one that goes there, just a much thinner one that extends the floor past this metal frame. And this kitchen thing is going to be extended to 700. It's going to have some nice doors on it, and a nice tabletop. It's going to have a different sink in there, a little electric stove that just sits on the bench, and I'm thinking of using this sink, which is quite a large one. It's that sink there, that first one that you can see, and I'm thinking of putting just in there on a stand, little gas heater, stove top, and that will sit basically under here where there's a vent that's been sealed, but I'll put that vent back in, and yeah, we're away laughing. Alright, that's all for now. That's my little winter project, and I'm budgeting a couple of months to get the bulk of this done. I've got the first month rent free here, so I'm going to go real hard. I'm going to try and get it done within a month. Get the main floor, put the floor down, and get new drawbar welded, and all this cleaned up. I should be able to do that. But as far as getting these extensions in here that take a little bit of fluffing around, I've got to get this yeah, I've got a lot to do. All right, that's all for now. Over and out.